Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to add a custom icon on Leaflet with TimeDimension. If you're working with geospatial data and want to create interactive maps that showcase changes over time, then this video is for you. In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the world of mapping libraries and discover how to personalize your map visualizations using Leaflet and its TimeDimension plugin. As we journey through this topic, we'll cover what Leaflet and TimeDimension are, why they're useful for mapping time series data, and most importantly, how you can customize these tools to fit your specific needs. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a deeper understanding of how to integrate custom icons into your maps using these powerful libraries. To start, let's briefly introduce Leaflet and TimeDimension. Leaflet is an open-source JavaScript library used for creating mobile-friendly, interactive maps. It's known for its simplicity, performance, and ease of use, making it a favorite among developers who need to embed maps into their applications. On the other hand, is a plugin that extends Leaflet's capabilities by allowing users to visualize data that changes over time. With TimeDimension, you can easily show how your map data evolves at different points in time, which is particularly useful for illustrating trends or patterns in geospatial data. Now, let's get into the meat of our discussion, adding custom icons on Leaflet with TimeDimension. When working with maps, especially those that represent data over time, customization can greatly enhance the user experience and make your map more engaging. One way to achieve this is by using custom icons for markers or other map elements. To illustrate how this works, imagine you're mapping the spread of a weather phenomenon across different regions over several days. Using standard markers might not immediately convey the type of weather event, storm, heat wave, etc. But with custom icons, you can represent each event type in a way that's visually intuitive for your audience. The process involves creating or obtaining the custom icon images you wish to use, ensuring they're optimized for web use. Then, within your Leaflet map initialization code, you'll reference these icons instead of using default markers. TimeDimension comes into play when you want these icons not just to appear on the map, but also to change or disappear as time progresses in your visualization. While implementing custom icons involves some basic web development skills and an understanding of how Leaflet and its plugins work, the payoff is well worth the effort. It allows for a more nuanced representation of your data that can better capture the attention and imagination of your audience. Before we conclude, let's summarize the key points from our discussion. 1. Leaflet basics understand what Leaflet is and why it's useful for creating interactive maps. 2. TimeDimension overview. Learn how TimeDimension extends Leaflet to visualize data over time. 3. Customization. With icons, discover the importance of using custom icons in map visualizations, especially when representing complex or dynamic data. 4. Implementation steps. Familiarize yourself with the basic steps involved in integrating custom icons into your Leaflet maps with TimeDimension. Thank you for joining me on this journey through adding custom icons on Leaflet with TimeDimension. I hope this video has inspired you to take your map visualizations to the next level by leveraging the power of customization. If you have any questions or would like further clarification on any of the points covered, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your engagement helps build a community around these topics and encourages more content creation. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and consider subscribing for future tutorials and explanations on tech-related topics. Until next time, happy mapping!